You guys ever just go, man, if they just made the Phase 2 the same colors and Pearl, that'd be the daddy? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have the brand new Storm Phase 2 Pearl. Storm has answered our prayers. Here we go. Storm Phase 2 Pearl. It's not Phase AI, it's not Phase 3, it's not Phase 4 or 5, it's Phase 2 Pearl. The exact same core, the Velocity core is back. We have the TX, I believe, 25 cover. It's the updated current version of the Phase 2 cover. And boy, oh boy, it's hard to not be excited about a ball that looks exactly like one of the greatest balls we've ever had. Ooh. Definitely a little whippy. So layout wise, we have 5x5x4. We're going a little bit weaker on our layouts now that we're tumbling it just a touch more. So now we can roll it, and because the layout's weaker, we can trust the ball's gonna come around the corner a little easier. So we don't need to hedge against our super rotatey, over the top, miss, and drill our ball super strong anymore. Let me throw one more, let's get lined up. Those are my first 2 shots with this ball, so we're kind of close. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty excited for this one. I feel like our balls in this realm have been a little Rockstar Amp, very excited for, so I'm glad that came out. But with this right after, a little surprising, but we'll see how they stack up against each other today. Oh boy, hook. Just enough. All right, so we are bowling on the Gold Coast house shot. Why the house shot, you may ask? Trying to give the viewers what they want. Most people bowl on house shot, so we're gonna bowl on a house shot. Most people want to see the amateur throw a shot, so I brought an amateur. This is Ricky. If you guys already watched the Viking video, you guys have already seen Ricky. He's got a little bit of insight for us as an amateur player, but also as an up-and-coming player, striving to be, what, a tour player? You wanna bowl on tour?
Be a tournament bowler.
Okay.
Win some money on the side,
Cool.
Keep it as a gig.
So a little more relatable, so we have some relatability on the channel. But he just switched to 2 hands. Funny enough, I gave him Phase 2, and his finger sizes, contrary to the size between the two of us, are pretty close. So I'm gonna let him throw my Phase 2 Pearl also, so he can see the difference. So go ahead and throw your Phase 2. Throw that Phase 2, get kind of close. He's been sitting for about an hour. He hasn't really been bowling a whole lot.
Yeah.
He's brand new to bowling 2-handed, so give him a break if the balls don't go where he wants them to go.
Originally I was one-handed, switched because my tilt had issues.
Sorry to take you guys away from the video, just wanted to take a moment to thank this video sponsor, Exter. That's right, Exter is back with their wallets and their Finder cards. The Exter wallet is equipped with the trigger function for easy access to your cards, RFID blocking to keep your digital info safe, and a lifetime warranty. Our phones have become such a vital piece in our lives, and with the Finder card, we can pair the two together to make sure we never lose our wallets again. With the holiday season coming up, just like many, I'll be traveling. Exter has me prepared to go with their travel vacuum kit to maximize the space I have. That means I'll be able to bring back even more snacks from Korea. All you have to do is attach the pump to the bag, then press the button firmly to activate the pump. Travel has never been made to be this easy. Exter will have their Black Friday sale with up to 54% off. So check out the link down in the description below and use my code Darren for an additional 10% off at checkout. Now let's get back to the video.
Ah, not bad.
A little
Kinda close. Ah, not bad. Kind of have an idea of what the lanes are doing?
The Gold Coast house shot, it is weird. It's a wet dry.
It's a little different than most. It's not super easy. A little flatter than most house shots, which means that when you throw it to the right here, it doesn't always come back. I bowl league at South Point as well. When you throw it to the right there,
Everything.
it always comes back.
Off that, I'm probably gonna slow down because if I miss right again, it's not coming back.
A little left.
A little left.
You see what I mean, guys? You get it left, it doesn't go through it. You get to the right, it doesn't want to hook. Go ahead and throw the Phase 2 Pearl. Let's see what happens here. Come on, Ricky, I need you to throw a strike here. This is big.
Oh, I got you, watch.
Oh, Ricky.
There we go.
Come on.
light little mixer.
Good shot. All right, so what are you feeling? You've thrown the phase 2 a little bit now. Now you've thrown the phase 2 pearl. What do you think?
It definitely wants to get down lane.
Okay, yeah, it's shiny, it's a pearl.
Oh yeah.
So that's gonna be the obvious difference. What do you like about the phase 2?
How predictable it is.
Okay.
On most patterns, short, long, I can kind of stand where I want.
Would you say it's like your benchmark ball?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, now that you're two-handed, I know you only have 3 balls. Is this something that you would consider putting in your bag?
Personally, probably. I probably would.
Cool. All right, so I'm gonna take over here. We're gonna throw a couple more shots. As Ricky has questions, he'll ask me about the bowling ball because I don't wanna miss anything. If you guys are watching this video and you have a question, he might have the same question. So hopefully he asks that question and we'll go from there.
Would you put it in the same bag as the Rockstar Amp?
I would not. I think those are the 2 closest balls we have in the line. If we're bowling a tournament where I could bring a bunch of bowling balls, maybe I'd bring them both because my Rockstar Amp is drilled significantly stronger than my phase 2. I think the phase 2 overall is just a touch. I think it's a little earlier. Like this feels rounder to me than the Rockstar Amp, but it's kind of hard to say. It'll be easier to say once we start comparing the ball, so we'll let you guys decide. Was not my best attempt. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna stay in the same spot, throw the Rockstar Amp. Rockstar Amp is 4.5 by 4.5 by 4.5, quite a bit stronger. So it's gonna go more forward. It should go a little forward faster. Looks pretty good. I mean, I think the phase 2 is cracking off it a little harder just because the cover's a lot fresher. The layout's a little weaker too.
If you take the shine off of it, would it roll like a phase 2?
In theory, it would be closer to a phase 2. The only time I think solid versus pearl and the difference is when it's the same ball. So that's when the pearl and solid matter a little more. So if you put some same surface on the phase 2 and the phase 2 pearl, the phase 2 pearl should still be cleaner.
Would you put them both in the same bag? 2 phase 2s, 1 solid, 1 pearl?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna rock the Rockstar and then phase 2 pearl. I really like the Amp, but I really like the Rockstar right now. If you guys know me, I don't like having the same core in the bag because if that core isn't matching up very good, then that's 2 balls that are not in play anymore. All right, I'm gonna take a small step to the left. By small, that's 3. I don't know, man,
That ball is good.
I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, Ricky, how many likes to give away one of these phase 2 pearls?
Let's go 45.
4,500 likes. You meant 4,500, right? Okay, not 45 likes, 4,500 likes. We'll give away a phase 2 pearl. You have to comment down below if you've had a phase 2 and how many you've had because the phase 2 has been out for a very long time. All right, we're gonna give this one the beans.
Can we do 3 in a row again?
Welcome to TV Bowling Supply. This is the phase 2 pearl. We are known for 9 pins. And if you guys want to pre-order yours today, head over to tvbowlingsupply.com. Use my coupon code D8. No, sorry, that's for if you guys want to rock a cool jersey like this one, head over to efx.co, coupon code DATA for 10% off. If you guys want to pre-order a phase 2 pearl, head over to tvbowlingsupply.com, DTang5 for 5% off.
Why do you like the Rockstar solid more than the phase 2, the solid?
I think right now, I just have one that rolls really good, so it's hard for me to take it out of the bag. So that's why I like Rockstar. So that's probably why I'm gonna go phase 2 pearl in my bag instead of Rockstar Amp. I also drilled that Amp pretty strong, so it's hard to hook it. I just feel like I can hook this one more given the layout. The house shot's gonna make everything look closer together. Like the balls aren't gonna look as different. But as we start bowling on some different patterns, that's where the layouts are really gonna show. I was really hoping for another 9-pin. So clearly I don't have to jack on it that hard. If you have no idea what I'm talking about mashing on it, giving it the beans, jacking on it, head over to howtoball.com. We'll try our best to teach you about all the terminology and overall just take you on a journey to get better at bowling. All right, Ricky, what do you want to see here?
I want to see a messenger set 9, 10 pin.
A backup messenger?
Hey, that's the only way we beat you is a backup,
The backup ball. Dude, I was throwing it so bad yesterday. All right, I'm gonna try to throw a messenger here.
Where would you put it in your bag?
Oh, that's right, yeah. So this is gonna be your clean benchmark type ball. You should have 2 balls in the middle of the bag. One's gonna be your solid, your dull, symmetric piece. This one's gonna be your clean one, your shiny
Would it be before your Typhoon time or after?
It would be before. Phase 2 Pearl is gonna be a much stronger ball in the Typhoon.
Would you put it in the bag with the Typhoon?
Yeah, I would put the Phase 2 Pearl in the bag with the Typhoon. I can't do it, it's just too good right now.
Doing the 10 back?
It's doing the thing.
Would you take the shine off?
Would I take the shine off? Yes, I will probably take the shine off. For the ball video though, because we like the boomstick and because the viewers like to see hockey stick motion, we're gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna throw a backup ball for you guys.
What do you like to see, the banana or the hockey
Banana,
stick?
always banana. Controllable banana. All right, we're gonna end this video on a backup.
Oh!
Oh. That's pretty good.
That was a pretty good shot.
I think I gotta move a little bit. I'm just trying to move out of the way for the camera. Trying to show you guys all the possibilities with the new balls. All right, guys, this has been Phase 2 Pearl. Brand new. Smells like cinnamon buns. Like that a lot. 4,500 likes and we're gonna give one away. And we'll see you next time.
The nut.
The nut.